Hey everyone, today I'll be talking about the Scorp 2 Gimbal by FeiyuTech. As usual, I'm going to kick things off by unboxing it and giving you a first look at what's inside the box. After that, we'll dive deeper into the product, exploring its features and how it works at high level. Just a quick note though, this video is not sponsored and it's not an advertisement, so let's get right into it. Now let's go over the different buttons you can use to operate this gimbal effectively. First up is we have the power button. Pressing it powers the gimbal on and off. Next, there are three locking buttons. The first one controls the counterclockwise or clockwise rotation, while the other two control various camera movements. One of these is located at the back of the gimbal and allows you for free up and down movement of the camera when unlocked. There are also two buttons on the side in that let you save the current position of the gimbal, labeled as A and B. For example, if you've tilted the gimbal up, you can press one of these buttons to save the position. Long pressing the button allows you to save the second position, so you can easily switch between the two positions by simply pressing the buttons again. Press A, go to the first position, press B, go to the second position you saved. Moving on, we have the F2 button. Its function is to lock and unlock the screen. On the opposite side of the gimbal, there is an F1 button which lets you enter or exit the portrait mode. Triple clicking this button enables and disables AI feature. Just above this, we have the FPV mode button, which toggles FPV mode on and off. There's also a large knob that lets you control the gimbal's tilt and axis movement. This gives you smooth control over the camera direction. There's another button here at the bottom. Pressing it allows you to switch between controlling different objects or modes while the gimbal is moving. The manual has detailed information on the various button combinations, but a notable one is the triple click function, which rotates the camera into a selfie mode. Another triple click exits the selfie mode. A quick press of the reset button will return the gimbal to its original state. Additionally, there is a joystick button at the top which lets you move the gimbal up, down, left or right, depending on where the object is moving. Just below that is a selection button that's next to it, the shutter button for capturing photos or videos. Finally, there's a tripod mount. You can attach the gimbal to a tripod by simply locking it in place. There's also a mount with support for larger camera lenses, which is cool one, because depending on the size of the lens, you can attach this lens support system. If you're using a heavier lens, the lens support system can easily attach to the gimbal, and you can slide the camera into place. Just make sure to lock everything securely. The AI subject tracking feature on this gimbal is truly amazing. Personally, this is the first time I've ever experienced or seen AI tracking integrated into a gimbal. And it's really, really impressive. The technology is fascinating. Being able to activate the subject tracking with just a simple hand gesture and watching the camera move to the left or right, up or down, something like that, and following the subject is amazing. But here is the question. Where would you use this feature? Would it be useful in your setup? Just let me know your thoughts in the comment section. I'm really curious to see how others might put this to use. In conclusion, there are several things I really enjoyed about the gimbal. To mention a few, the hand grips really makes it much easier to carry the setup from one place to another. Plus, the gimbal offers a wide range of options to operate it with precision. However, there are a few areas that could be improved, like I had a challenge when mounting the gimbal to regular taller camera tripods, and it required rotating the tripod itself to attach the gimbal, which can be cumbersome. Additionally, while this gimbal might not be designed for it, I noticed that when I positioned the Nikon Z6 camera upwards, the gimbal struggled to hold the weight and it ended up collapsing. However, it's a highly advanced product with great features, but it has some limitations when it comes to mounting and handling heavier setups in certain positions. Thank you for watching. If the video was useful to you, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel, because that's the best way to help grow my channel. Thank you.